Hello and welcome to this video on 5 ways to make your smartphone battery last longer. In today's world, smartphones have become an essential part of our daily lives. From communicating with friends and family to staying on top of work emails, we rely on our smartphones for a variety of tasks. However, with increased usage comes increased battery consumption. This means that your phone's battery can drain quickly, leaving you stranded without a way to stay connected. The good news is that there are several ways to extend the battery life of your smartphone. By following a few simple tips and tricks, you can save battery life and stay connected for longer. In this video, we will explore how you can extend the battery life of your smartphone. We will cover a range of tips and tricks, from adjusting the screen brightness to using battery saver mode. We will also provide step-by-step instructions on how to implement these tips on both Android and iOS devices. Whether you are a heavy phone user or simply looking to get the most out of your battery, this video is for you. So, sit back and relax as we explore 5 ways to make your smartphone battery last longer. Number 1. Adjust the screen brightness. One of the easiest ways to extend the battery life of your smartphone is to adjust the screen brightness. Most smartphones have an auto brightness feature that adjusts the screen brightness based on the ambient light in the room. However, this feature can be a drain on your battery. By manually adjusting the brightness to a lower level, you can save a significant amount of battery life. In addition to adjusting the screen brightness, you can also consider using a dark mode or night mode. This feature uses less power because it displays more black pixels on the screen, which require less power than white pixels. Many apps, including social media apps and messaging apps, have this feature. By using dark mode, you can save battery life while also reducing eye strain. Number 2. Close unused apps. Another way to extend the battery life of your smartphone is to close unused apps. Many apps continue to run in the background even when you are not using them. This can drain your battery. By closing these apps when you are not using them, you can save battery life. On both Android and iOS devices, you can easily close unused apps by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and swiping away the app that you want to close. You can also use task managers to close apps, but be careful not to close system apps that are necessary for your phone to function properly. Number 3. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are two features that can drain your battery quickly. When you are not using these features, turn them off to save battery life. This is especially important when you are in an area with weak signal strength, as your phone will use more power to maintain a connection. You can turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both Android and iOS devices by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth icon. You can also turn them off in the settings menu. Number 4. Use airplane mode. Airplane mode is a feature that turns off all wireless connections on your smartphone. This includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular data. If you are in an area with no signal or are not using your phone, turning on airplane mode can save significant battery life. Airplane mode is particularly useful when you are traveling on an airplane, as it can save your battery life and ensure that your phone does not interfere with the airplane's communication systems. However, it can also be useful in other situations where you are not using your phone for an extended period. Number 5. Reduce screen timeout. The screen timeout feature is the amount of time your phone will remain on before it automatically turns off the screen. By reducing the screen time out to a shorter duration, you can save battery life. This is especially important if you are someone who tends to leave your phone on for long periods without using it. On both Android and iOS devices, you can adjust the screen time out in the settings menu. By setting the screen time out to a shorter duration, you can save battery life while also protecting your privacy by ensuring that your phone does not remain unlocked for an extended period. Bonus tip: use battery saver mode. Most smartphones have a battery saver mode that can help you extend the battery life of your phone. Battery saver mode reduces the performance of your phone to save battery life. This mode can limit background processes, reduce screen brightness, and disable some features such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can enable battery saver mode on both Android and iOS devices in the settings menu. However, be aware that this mode can also limit the functionality of some apps, so it's important to use it wisely. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos.